Promise Mkwananzi through the Citizens Coalition for Change, which is a splinter group that is in support of Nelson Chamisa, but has not yet come out, and which is unclear, has vowed that they are not supporting Zimbabwe being readmitted into the Commonwealth. I want to explain why there is division among the Zimbabweans on why Zimbabwe should be readmitted into the Commonwealth. The first thing is that Zimbabweans on the other side, they are saying Zimbabwe being readmitted into the Commonwealth, yet there are other human rights violations, the previous elections, and the arrest of the likes of James Timber and the 70 others. It will be unfair for all these individuals, and it will be a spat in the face to these individuals, and they want, until those are resolved, Zimbabwe can then be readmitted into the Commonwealth. But on the other hand, some people are saying they should be readmitted conditionally, to say, we are readmitting you, but you can only be fully admitted once you have resolved A, B, C, D. And why are Zimbabweans so keen in participating in the Commonwealth or being part of the Commonwealth? First one is the issue of being part of the Commonwealth Games. Being part of the Commonwealth Games helps our athletes to participate on international stage, and it also helps us to grow the sport if we are participating in these regular events of the Commonwealth. Secondly, before Zimbabwe was kicked out of the Commonwealth, there was no visa issue with Zimbabweans. Zimbabweans would simply board a plane and get visa on arrival in the UK. And you know how much it is costing Zimbabweans to get into the UK right now. It is costing, if we say an arm and a leg, we can say half of the body of the Zimbabwean for him or them to get into the UK. So it is very, very steep. That is the price that we are paying for being out of the Commonwealth. So some Zimbabweans on the other side are saying, guys, let's get back into the Commonwealth. You, the people that are in the opposition, what are you doing? Why are you so keen on us being out? Because at the end of the day, it's the ordinary Zimbabweans or the ordinary people that also need to benefit, like your athletes and the general people that need to benefit from this. It's not something for you politicians. So what do you make of us, Zimbabwe, being readmitted into the Commonwealth? Do you think it's a good thing? Or what do you suggest the countries that be? I saw George Charamba saying that we don't want to be in the Commonwealth because tinenge tichingotongwa nemacolonizers, or the colonizers will be deciding our fate. What do you make of this? Do you want us back into the Commonwealth, or you don't want us to be back in the Commonwealth? And what does the opposition, which is in disarray in 6 and 7s, and they are not really organized, why are they keen on us out? Are they trying to seek relevance, or what is happening? You tell me what you think about the readmission of Zimbabwe into the Commonwealth. Is it a good thing, or it is a bad thing?